To find the exponential form, here we have to particularly find it in the form of 3 to the power something. So we will keep dividing this given number with 3 and we will divide it until we get the last answer as 1. So 243 divided by 3 will be 81. Now again 81 we will divide by 3 and we will get answer as 27. Now 27 again divide by 3 is equal to 9. 9 again divide by 3 equals to 3. Now 3 divide by 3 will be equal to 1. Now we have got the answer 1. Here we will stop. And now we will see how many times we have used 3 to divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times we have used 3 to divide this whole number to 1. Now we can say that if we multiply 3 5 times, we will get the answer as 243. Now we can write this as 3 to the power 5 equals to 243. That means our required number is 5, 3 to the power 5. Now next one, 216 is equal to 6 to the power what? We have to write this in exponent form as 6 to the power of something. So again we will use the same method, 216 divided by 6. We will keep dividing this number by 6 till we get 1. So 216 divided by 6 is 36. Now 36 will be divided by 6. 36 divided by 6 we will get 6. Now 6 will be divided by 6. We will get answer 1. Now we got 1. Now we will add check how many times we have used 6 to divide the given number. 1, 2, 3. So 3 times we have used 6. That means we can say 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 216. Nothing but 6 to the power 3 to the 3 is equal to 216. So the required answer is 6 to the power 3. Now next one is 6 to 5. We have to write in the form 5 to the power something. Now we have to divide this number by 5 every time. Now 625 divided by 5, you will get 125. Again now 125 will be divided by 5, you will get 25. Now 25 divided by 5, you will get 5. Now 5 again divided by 5, you will get answer 1. So now we are reaching to the answer as 1. That means now we will stop dividing. Now we will add all the 5s, that how many times we have used 5 to divide. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write 5 multiplied by 5. 4 times we will write multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Will give the answer 625. That means we can write it in this form. 5 to the power 4 is equal to 625. That means this required answer is 5 to the power 4. Now the last one is 128 is equal to 2 to the power how much? Again we will divide it by 2. Keep dividing it by 2 till you get 1. So once we divide this, you will get the answer 64. 64 divided by 2, you will get the answer 32. Now 32 divided by 2, you will get the answer 16. 16 divided by 2, you will get the answer 8. 8 divided by 2, you will get the answer 4. 4 divided by 2, you will get the answer 2. And 2 divided by 2, you will get the answer 1. Now we will count how many times we have used 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will write it 7 times. Multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2 is equal to 128. That means 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128.